A lot of people think that ChatGPT isn't very good. One of the reasons is that the output that it gives us based on our prompt isn't exactly what we want. One of the ways to actually solve this is for us to be very specific to what we want and giving it a little bit more context. A very simple method for you to use is to think about who is the audience that you're writing this prompt for. Also, what do you want the outcome of this specific prompt to be? What do you want to use that for? And then how do you want ChatGPT to give you that information? All right, let me give you an example. So say, for example, here I'm writing a prompt about an email about a project delay. I'm saying, help me write an email about a project delay. I'm going to send that in. That's a very simple prompt. So the tool is going to give me a very simple output. All right. If I wanted to take this prompt to the next level, all right, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to write it in this way. Write a professional email to a client explaining a project delay. That's the who, okay? And then the tone should be calm, transparent, and reassuring. What is the outcome I want from this email? And then keep it under 150 words is how I want ChatGPT to give me the information, okay? If I send this in, now this is going to be a little bit more specific, and I'm leveraging some psychological methods there to actually let the client know that I'm being transparent and reassure the client. And at the same time, anytime that the tool gives you an output, just ensure that you can always keep refining your output here. I can say make it shorter, okay, I can say make it clearer, or I can say add XYZ, ensuring that you're never always taking the first actual output, you're refining until you get what you want.